Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing skin and thread so the process is precise and safe. Cleanse the area to remove oil and dry thoroughly. This helps hair catch. Take a 30-40 cm cotton thread, tie ends into a small loop, and anchor it across both index fingers. You form a tight X in the center by rotating one side. This creates the moving cutting point. Keep fingers steady and practice opening-closing motion slowly to control the pinching action before moving to your face. Now you work the middle section by section to avoid irritation and uneven removal. Place the twisted X directly over the row of hairs you want removed, then use a rhythmic open-closing motion with your fingers so the twist traps and pulls hairs from the follicle. Keep your free hand stretching the skin gently to flatten the surface. This reduces pinching and pain. Move methodically, removing short clusters rather than sweeping large areas, and tweeze any single long hairs that won't catch. Finish by combing the treated skin and checking results so you avoid irritation later. Once done, apply a cool compress for a few minutes, then a gentle calming gel or aloe to reduce redness and inflammation. Inspect the area for missed hairs, rethread or tweeze tiny spots rather than reworking a whole area. If you notice persistent bleeding, intense pain, or swelling, stop immediately and apply firm pressure. Seek professional help if symptoms do not improve within a few hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.